Welcome, welcome. I'm so excited to bring you this today. We've done this circle wrap before. It's basically a circle with 2 holes in it for your arms. You can do it out of any fabrics as long as you like both sides. So in shopping, I found a wrap, the circle wrap, but it had a little flip to it. And I want to show you that today because what it does is it opens it up to any fabrics we want to do. And oh my gosh, it's endless. The ideas are just endless. I laid there in bed for a while and thought, oh, I could make it out of this. It's just ridiculous. But let's start first with what it is. It is a circle. So, and then you're gonna put your armholes in there. And what it does is it flips over the back and it's like a little sleeveless vest. It's amazing. So what I thought I'd do is make one for you. Let's just make it together. Get your fabric. This is, the one I have on is 27.42. This is a sale fabric. You'll need 2 yards. You actually only need 1.5 yards, but we only sell in whole yards, so you'll need 2 yards. And you could always do a little tank underneath to match, which I think would be really cute. All right, so I've cut my 1.5 yards. And this, the fabric I have on is 27.42. When we talk about finishing, this just doesn't need any finishing. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't. You know, it's a woven, but I cut around it and I thought that is just really cool. The one I saw in the store had the same color thread and it just was a zigzag on the edge. It was very pretty. I never would thought to finish it like that because to me zigzag kind of reminds me of the old, I don't know, I just don't really care for it, but it was very clean and very nice, just a zigzag. But you could play around with stitches on your machine, same color thread and just finish the edge. I mean, you could do contrasting also, but it was very, very nice. Okay, so this is another fabric we have on sale, and it's 27.45. So great fabrics. I mean, these are just easy. Both sides are wonderful. They can be used for all different kinds of things, but this is a good one. All right, so I'm folding it in half. I'm putting selvages together, and then I'm folding it in half again. Remember, I started with 1.5 yards, and we've got this little chart up so you can kind of see it as I'm going. All right, so all those edges go together, and then all I'm gonna do is do the 2 folded edges together. Okay, so I've left with this like little triangular wedge. Get it smooth, get it nice, get it even. And then you're gonna take your yardstick, and I'm gonna make mine 25 inches because it's a 50-inch circle. So you're gonna just go 25 inches, start at 25, and then what I'm doing is cutting through all the layers. Start from the very point and just cut toward the 25. Just keep going. This one, I think for the edges, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually like use a fold over elastic. Like depending on the time of year you're trying to make it for. The reason I thought this was so great now especially is because this is perfect for winter going into spring. Just having something light, you can change it up by what you have on underneath, whether it be a long sleeve t-shirt, a short sleeve t-shirt, you know, it really changes it up. Okay, so there I have it. I've cut 25 all the way. I've made this like little fan type thing. That goes away. And you open this up. And there's your circle. Okay, so it's not going to do any good like that. You're going to have a couple armholes. So you're going to now, you know, like I said, we've got this little chart on here. I kind of drew it all out. Just pick a point that would be your top point and come down. I think it's 22 inches. Yeah, 22 inches. So I'm going to come down 22 inches, which is here. The rest of this would be 28 inches. That's what makes your 50. And right at 22 inches, what I do is I just put my just a crossbar, kind of. Because keep in mind that it's a circle, so it doesn't actually have to be exact because it's a circle. It's not like a rectangular or anything else, it's a circle. Okay, then what I did is the middle of this circle would be 18.5 inches in. I know that's probably too exact, right? So right around here, and then I came down 1 inch, there's an armhole. And that armhole is 10 inches in length. Now you can make these armholes wide, you can make them non-wide, you can make them longer, you can make them any size you want. The only thing that really matters is the proximity of the armholes. And then the armholes are going to be roughly 13 and a half inches apart. So my other one is right here. And again, 10 inches long. Now these are good to face too with like a fold over elastic. Okay, kids, that's it. There's your circle wrap. And then, you know, it's a funny thing. I think you'll spend more time finishing it than anything else. Okay, that's where your arms go. This wraps like this. There's a long side to the wrap and a short side to the wrap. If the long side of the wrap is down, which it is in my case, you can see it's going to cover more of your rear end. So if you're taller, you want to do that. You can reverse it also, though, and put the shorter side down. The wrap won't be as long, but then the part that goes over your shoulders will be a little bit longer. So it's totally your call as to how you want to do that. I'll put this on the mannequin in the minute, but I want to show you this one. So this one, and the whole reason this is so awesome, is when I came down that 22 inches on this one, because I was using fabric that both sides are not good, I made a seam. So I would make a pattern and then cut your pattern. Come down 22 inches on one end. It's up 28, that's your 50, because it's a 50-inch circle. And just cut a seam. It's very easy to do, just cut a seam. So then what I did is I reversed it on this one, so that I sewed the wrong side then to the right side and just made a seam all the way across. I still did my armholes the same place, you can see. But now you can see that when this hangs down, these seams, they're hidden. They're not going to show. And so now what that seam allows you to do is it allows you to make a fabric out of this where both sides are not pretty, which is incredible, because what it does is it opens it up to literally every fabric out there. Whether it's polar, no matter what the fabric is, that little seam opens it up to everything. So you can see that seam goes right across here, but when it lays down, the seam doesn't show. Yay, it's amazing. Okay, so we'll take this off and let's look at it a little bit closer. We'll put this on so you can see. I'm going to turn it around so you can just see the differences. All right, so if I do the long side down, which is this way, and put it on her arms, you see you get a longer wrap and a shorter, I don't know what you want to call it, a shorter bodice, we'll call it. You know, a shorter little wrap there. To whereas if you turn it the other way, you're going to get a shorter wrap, but this is going to hang down longer. So you can play with that and see how you want to do it. With this one, I just wanted to show you the particulars because here's my 50-inch circle. 22 inches down is where I made a seam, and then I dropped down another inch for the armholes. And then I just flipped it. So I just cut one big circle, flipped it. I finished this one by just serging the edges and turning them under. When I got to this point, I just went to nothing and then flipped it the other way. So both sides are easily finished up. The armholes are never going to show, just so you know that. They have fabric over them. They're never going to show. So in this case, I just serged them and left them, but a fold over trim would be beautiful, like a little black fold over would be great, whatever you decide to do. But here's the most exciting thing. This camouflage, I'm sorry, the fabric is $29.05. This seam, the flip, opens it up to every fabric out there. So like, we have some really cool fabrics lately. This is 3013, and this I love this fabric. It's like got this really wild little shag, but the back side is not pretty, but you could flip it and you could make both sides really beautiful. So then if you're using a fabric where you have coordinating, and let's say you have a sheer dot and then a stripe that goes with it, you can put the stripe to where it's coming down this way and the polka dot to where it's going through the body. Is that cool? I mean, it allows you to do so many beautiful things for fall, for spring, for winter. It doesn't matter. It really makes it year-round, and it makes it applicable to any fabric out there. So when I saw that with that seam in that, it was at the store. It was a little boutique I was at. I thought that is genius. I mean, that is genius. And I've done this thing many, many times, and I just never come up to think about that. So the goal is to get 1.5 yards of fabric, wherever it is, go crazy with it. Make your, we're calling this the circle wrap with a flip. So make your little circle wrap. All the numbers are there for you. Just walk it through. It honestly takes you longer to finish the edges. So clearly, like the one I did, whoops, I've got fabric all over me, or threads all over me. The one I did, this is the 2742. It's perfect. I've got just black jeans on. So perfect for this time of year to just have a little something light on. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.